uncharted territory. I don't know what the f is gonna happen here.
Yeah, if you guys don't keep the strap on them. Hold on, what's your guess? What's your guess?
1180.
All right. We're making doing the whiteboard.
Are we doing weight or are we doing that after?
You can do that right away.
We can do the weight too.
Yeah, just put it right.
35, 50.
My guess is 1204.
I'm gonna go 1145.
We're gonna go 11. Stick to 1193.
1209. 1168.
That's a good number, Chili. I like that.
That is a nice
Made it
round
1169.
The alternator off. That's where all the horsepower's going.
Okay, so
like the white car.
are we gonna put a stake for the winner of this? Because I mean, we got a lot of people in the pot right now.
50 bucks
Okay,
a piece.
that's not terrible.
Does anyone?
I'm down.
No, we got to do one or the other. Let's just do horsepower in the
Just do
betting.
the horsepower bet. Yeah.
Even if it doesn't land on nothing, whoever's the closest. So whoever it is
So
to
no
the,
Price is Right bullshit.
So what is it like?
whoever it is to the closest number.
Okay.
It doesn't matter if it's over or under.
With Big Dog, even if he wins, I mean, even if you hit it on the number, he's still in between the range.
My fucking final bet is 1189.
1189, like on horsepower straight up in the window.
A lot has changed for a little game. I can tell you that.
It is a
Yeah,
tight field,
Steve, you can get in on this.
Yeah,
So
Steve,
tell us what you got.
Steve, throw your numbers up on the fucking screen.
And we got to get Dong in on it too.
Fuck
Okay.
Greg.
Yeah.
Big wag.
Nah, but he's rich already. He don't need to win any money.
Greg's, he's supplying the pot.
He told me what it's going to make already, so
He did.
We'll see.
All right. Well, what is his guess? Because he's not winning shit, so we get to hear it.
1200.
Okay. All right.
Right there.
I like that,
Right
Greg.
there.
I like that.
You can put
Gregory.
him up there for 1200. You already told me.
It's a big day today. But yeah, we'll get some talking in right now. Give him the rundown.
Just leaking it down before we run it to get a good baseline. This is the third time leaking it down. It leaked down pretty shitty before we even started, then it leaked down better. Now it's leaking down really nice. So, for those that don't know what a leak down tester is, you hear that? Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that video.
Keep going. Right there.
Okay, good.
Oh, yeah. 10.
Hang on. Go ahead. Really, if you're under like 30%, it's pretty good. If you're under 10, that's a bad motherfucker. So, number 2 is at 2% just now. I mean, that's fucking unheard of.
2, 4, 5, 7.
Ain't gonna stay like that forever though. So,
Yeah.
to get them to leak that good's all in the valve job and your ring pack and your hone job and everything about them. So, This is my engine, and I didn't have no expense spared on it, and I built it myself.
Right about
And then one's got fucking no say, so I did what I want.
5. That one was 12 before. Call it like 14. Say 14 is where it like really stayed steady.
14 is still good.
Yep. We get street cards when I do that.
Alright, you want to pump it? We're doing a compression test now. You can see your motor's 10 to 1, 11 to 1, 12 to 1, whatever. But what's a pump at? You know, if you're 13 to 1 and a pump's at 150, then it has a lot to do with your camshaft bleeding out of the exhaust. But if you're 13 to 1 and a pump's at 220, you know, you're holding it in there. So there's a fine line right there of what these things want. Pumping on the cranking compression. I'm not saying what it is. Territory. I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen here.
Yeah, if you guys don't keep the strap on the lid. My boy's suiting up. Man, I feel like I need to order myself one of them too. Lots of fire suppression in here.
Got 7,
Yep.
and there's 1 in the car.
That thing's fucking loud, dude.
Dude, it shook my hands. I couldn't help it.
Sounds like a fucking monster truck in here.
Like it literally took the camera and just like I just
Wait for you.
Okay. So for anybody wondering.
It felt good, man, but I would have kept going, but it's like
It
so
lugged-
much going on.
It
I
felt like
can't.
it lugged it up a little bit at first. It made it through it. But
Oh, it's gonna be
I heard-
lazy
I
down
heard
there.
it, yeah,
It's
I
gonna be
heard
lazy.
The belt didn't walk.
round
She's
two.
a bad bitch.
Yeah, well, that's fact. That's fact. Round two. This is the second night.
Yeah. I don't know. We'll see what it does. I don't know yet.
Yeah, me neither. Val, you ready?
Yeah.